Y'all don't even worry about my left eye. I changed what I wanted to do like as soon as I started recording, and I kind of just freehanded it instead of doing what I had originally planned on doing. So just ignore what you see on my left eye and just focus on what I'm doing on this right eye. After your lids are primed, you're going to want to take your Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and right now I'm taking the Cotton Candy shade, and we're just going to be blending it into our lids. In that same Too Faced palette, we're going to be taking the color Totally Fetch and packing it on top of our Cotton Candy shade and blending it all together. Here, I'm going to be cutting my crease with that same concealer that I primed my lids with. Next, we are going to be taking our NYX glitter primer and putting that over the area we cut our crease on. Alright, now we are going to be taking our NYX Shimmer Down pigment in the color Salmon and just packing that into where we cut our crease. Here I am adding more of that Totally Fetch color from our Too Faced palette and blending it all together. Now we are going to take our glitter primer and draw a bold line right above our lash line. Now we are going to take this glitter in the color Fuchsia and pack it right above our lash line. Now we are going to take some white eyeliner. Yes, white eyeliner, not white acrylic paint, because I finally got me some white eyeliner. But we're going to be taking that white eyeliner and just drawing a line in between the future color, not future color, the fuchsia color and the salmon color. The lashes I'm using are Color Cat lashes, and I just got these from the beauty supply store. I don't remember how much they were, but they couldn't have been that expensive. But they do have like a little tint of violet or purple on the ends of the lashes. You can't really see in the video, but they do have that. I did my eyebrows and my foundation and my highlight and all that other stuff. I did all that off camera. And the little white dots you see right below my eyebrows are like little hearts. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but they're little hearts, and I just did it off camera, kind of like spur of the moment. But I will be leaving the products and the shades I use, like for foundation and everything else, in the description box below. For this look, I used a couple of different things for my lips. To start off, I used Lipstick Queen's lipstick in the color Medieval, and I started with that, and then I put this MAC shimmery gloss on, and then some regular gloss, just to like bring out the color and bring it to life some more. Alright y'all, this concludes my video. Make sure that y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe.